What is going on, guys? Welcome back. I have amazing news. Amazing news that puts a fucking smile on my face. Yes, you read the title correctly. Someone, his name is Josh. This guy named Josh in my Discord. I don't care about giving out his name because there's a billion Joshes out there, so I'm not giving away his identity. But there's someone in my Discord named Josh who literally started dropshipping within the last week because of me and has already made his first few sales. And now I know everyone in the world works on results. They only believe me if I show proof. Well, bang, there's a screenshot. Bang. You understand? Guys, I don't sell anything. Like, you have to wrap your head around that. I don't sell a mentorship, a program, a course. Bro, I just do shit. I just do my shit. I do action. I post it, I share it, and people learn off the value I give, and it works. It works for them. They're in my Discord. I'm in my Discord 24/7. I'm on my computer all day. I'm in my Discord 24/7, active, giving sauce, giving value. And look, if you're not in my Discord, what the fuck are you doing? It's free. I'm not holding you hostage. You can leave whenever. You can connect with me. There's a good community. Everyone's helping each other out. And it works. It's starting to work. People again, I'm not telling you to do anything, but maybe I should because it's fucking clearly works. I'm just doing my shit. People listen, follow along, and they're making money. Now, before I get to more in depth with that, I want to tell you where I am. Right now, I'm at $1,000 rev a day. So that's around, $360,000 a year if it stabilizes throughout the whole year. With a 20% profit margin where I'm at, it's like around 40,000 profit. Again, that's pretty good comparing to I was fucking broke a month ago. I had almost $0 in my bank account. Do you understand? This shit's moving so fast. And again, not only am I seeing results, people that are following me are seeing results. They're literally just listening to me for free. And that's how I want it to be. I want it to be for free, and it's working for them. I still can't, I'm literally stuttering. I'm speechless. I don't know how to even react to this. I'm not even really trying. I just do my shit, post it, share it, and it works. So now, if you've been following, I've been doing Snapchat ads. Snapchat ads is unsaturated. It's untapped. There's low competition. Your CPMs will be low. It's easier to get sales if your product it works good on Snapchat. And you can start off, if you haven't gotten any sales, you can start off on Snapchat and then optimize later, which is the stage I'm in right now, where you can make your $100,000 on a month on Snapchat, but you can definitely make the $20,000 a month like I'm doing, and then you start optimizing for different ad platforms. Let alone, like I said, I haven't even gotten a sale within a month ago, and now I've learned so much. I've went through 3 different private suppliers. I've gotten multiple credit cards to increase ad spend. I'm now learning more about ad metrics, different creatives, better creatives. I'm testing different offers. I'm optimizing emails. I've learned so much, and I'm just sharing it, and it fucking works. It's crazy. I know you're someone who's already very successful might watch this video, or even me in the future might watch this video duh, Julian, if you have value, if you have skills and you know about the skills and you share it, other people will start saying, yes, I know, I'm not dumb, but it's crazy to me. It's really crazy. It's my first time. It is my first time doing this. So seeing some other people get results because of my advice, it makes again, I'm speechless. And it's also that I'm not even trying. It's all for free. I literally just do my shit. People follow along, listen to me, and bing. Isn't it beautiful? Again, I want this to be for free. It fucking warms my heart. And I'm just... Wow, I'm speechless. Guys, this is literally the definition of I'll see you at the top. Some people who will follow along. Some people who will listen. Bro, my videos are not engaging at all. I know that. You think I'm dumb. I know they're not engaging. But if you're fucking listening, you're tanking through and you're listening to what I have to say throughout the whole video, you clearly will start seeing results. The things that I'm saying are actually like, this is proof that the things I say are not bullshit. It works. So again, I appreciate you listening and watching through this. Because, bro, again, if you weren't some short attention span TikTok millennial or Gen Z, you would have clicked away a long time ago. But you're really seeking value. You're really seeking to better yourself and get financially secure. And it clearly works. I don't know. I don't fucking know what to say, bro. It's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy. Guys, I'm not naked. I have short shorts. Don't worry about it. Bro, honestly, get the cup of coffee. Guys, let's get back to fucking work. And seriously, now that the ending of my videos, I truly feel it now. Like, I'll fucking see you guys at the top. Follow along, and I will literally see you at the top with me. Cheers.